Hey everybody, it's Emmitt at GigaWeek at CPS in Dallas. Actually, we're not really in Dallas, but Dallas is a big thing. Kelly Pickrell.
Yep, that's me.
I was struggling with that, but I put in my mistakes because I'm human. And one thing about being human, and that thing that I am always telling you never sends you a bill, which is the sun, we have an editor-in-chief here.
That's me.
So I've been stalking her around the
Finally nailed me down.
I'm like, come on, I need to talk to you, I need to talk to you, I need to talk to you. Because you put out Solar Power World, which is the premier publication about solar, to keep people up to date on policy,
Yep.
hardware, but not only that, you do wind, you do other alternative energies as well.
Sure.
As the editor, how do you have to be ingrained in it? Or do you just need to know, are you the one that, like, if I wrote you a letter, you correct it and send it back?
Both. No, so I have been an editor focusing on the solar industry for 15 years now. And so
Were you 15 when you started?
basically, right? But I am ingrained in the industry. Like I, wake up and breathe the clean energy. And so following all that news, it's been my life for 15 years.
I got a question for you, because you're in the publications and you're in print media.
Sure.
When you see things on YouTube, I know, right? YouTube, national news, or just media in general, it doesn't seem quite right. Are you just like,
Yeah, that's hard. A lot of because being ingrained in the solar industry, we get into such specifics about what's happening, and then to see a mainstream media, if you go see a story on NBC or ABC, like it's very, watered down about the solar industry, and sometimes I'm like, oh, it's so much more complicated than that. Do you know what's happening in Illinois right now, and all of that?
Yeah.
So but it's fun, and it's nice. It is nice to see though that crossover when it gets into mainstream, because it's like, okay, this is my whole world, but now it's starting to get out there to everybody else too.
I wanted to ask you about this because solar started out as DIY.
Yeah.
In America, thanks to California and growing plants, horticulture, who'd have knew? And then it went corporate.
Yeah.
Where got to get the cash, got to get the dough.
Yeah.
Now it's going back, and we're going into a hybrid phase of DIY.
Yeah.
And corporate. Are you guys starting to address or bring in articles that address the DIY person as well?
Yeah. So Solar Power World, our core audience is for the installer. We're a trade publication, so we do try to focus on that. Maybe not so much doing basic 101 stuff, because our readers understand how solar works. But I'm sure you've noticed balcony solar.
Oh my!
Coming huge.
Plug-in balcony solar.
Yeah. And so that kind of feels like a very DIY situation. And people, now that we have established ourselves as the go-to publication for solar news, it's our obligation to educate on this DIY side of balcony solar. So we're trying to understand that and the rules involved with this new type of solar. So we're starting to get involved a little bit more in the DIY side.
I have a talk coming up at InterSolar. And this is not so technical, it's more sales, because I'm bringing in all the ways you can do revenue models from all the different things, including balcony solar, including solar generators, including solar mini splits. Like, this thing is taking off, but I think we're still stuck in this mode of slap.
Yeah. And a lot of stuff is very, very hyped. And so you want to get out and be the first to do something. And so, trying to figure that out. We luckily on Solar Power World, we had UL wrote a story for us explaining balcony solar and all of the regulations you have to think about for that stuff. And it's like, that's the good information that we want to get out to our readers, so people understand how to do it.
Yeah, because people just take whatever they hear and run it as gospel.
Yeah, I can put a solar panel on my balcony. Cool. Yeah, I'll just plug it in. It's fine.
Yeah, I'm plugging in DC. Anyway,
Right.
anywho, hey, thank you so much for
Yes.
the talk.
Yeah.
This is Emmitt at CPS GigaWeek in Dallas, Texas, 2026. I keep dating these things. I shouldn't do that. I need everything time. Where can they find Solar Power World or have access to
Yeah,
it?
so our website is solarpowerworldonline.com, but you can find us on all social medias across, just search for Solar Power World.
Thank you. This is Emmitt with S.E Power Consulting. You can always go to the What's Up Solar Podcast. Till next time, peace.